All. Today we are going to start Moral Science of class 3rd. The chapter name is All Men Are Equal. This story is about Bunny. Bunny was the shortest boy in his class. Bunny was a good boy and was very friendly with everyone. But other boys in his class often made fun of him for his short height. All of Bunny's friends were very much taller than him. They always teased him by calling him Pony, Bunny or Little Lolly. Bunny did not like this at all. He wanted to play with his friends. Bunny wanted to play with his friends, but their friends saddened him. So he mostly sat alone. Bunny mostly sat alone and avoided talking to the other boys. Among the other boys in the class, Pinku was the biggest bully. He always teased Bunny and also let to others make fun of him. Bully always make fun of Bunny and also let others to make fun of him. Pinku was the tallest boy in the group, but he was also the thinnest. Thinnest means patla. One day, Bunny was sitting in the corner of the playground and watching other boys playing. Pinku and some of his friends came to Bunny and asked, "You little one, do you want to play with us?" Bunny readily agreed. Bunny said, "Yes, sure, I would love to play." But in reality, Pinku was not trying to be friend with Bunny. He only wanted to tease Bunny. When Bunny came to play with them, Pinku said, "To play with us, you will first have to run hard with your puny feet and catch me." Everyone knew that Pinku was a fast runner, more so because of his long feet. He kept running and making Bunny chase him around the playground for more than a half an hour, till Bunny got tired and fell on the ground. And when Bunny fell, Pinku and his friend again made fun of him. Then they said, "Look at this stupid fellow. Look at the little stupid fellow. He thought he was good enough to play with us. Bunny was good enough to play with us." Bunny was very hurt that day. Near his home, he used to play with a few younger children whose height was same as his. Then that evening, Bunny and his neighborhood friend found Pinku alone. Bunny thought that was the right time to teach Pinku a lesson. He and his friend now started making fun of his thin frame and tall height. They said, "Look at that stupid pair of sticks." One of them bent down and pulled one of his feet from behind, and Pinku fell on the ground. Bunny and his little friend had a good laugh. Pinku felt bad but also felt sorry for his behavior. He never teased Bunny again. He will never tease with this behavior. He will never tease Bunny again. Pinku never teased Bunny again. So students, what we learn from this story? We learn from this story is that all human beings are born equal. We should never tease anyone for being different from us. Bad behavior always invites bad behavior. We must always be kind and friendly to everyone. Each person has his or her own set of qualities. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.